All right. My name is Billy Lawson. This is Saxophone Factory. We are in the process of getting the Jazz Conception for Saxophone, the Lee Niehaus book, on the channel. We've already done exercises 1 and 2, and now we're off to exercises 3 and 4. It's an exercise where we have 4 eighth notes: do ba do dot, legato legato legato, marcato, da da do do dot, as the main idea, as it'll be for a little bit as we work through the book. All right, exercise number 3. Not too fast. 1, 2, 1. That's all there is to it. If we play it too quickly, you know what to do. Stop the video, go over it nice and slow with your metronome, and build up speed. The key is making sure that you keep your fingers really close to the keys, that you don't have flyaway fingers, and swing it. We'll see you in the next video. I don't have any idea what that looks like.